Good afternoon, students. I'm really sorry I'm not there today. I teach at the middle school as well as the high school, so sometimes my schedule conflicts and I cannot be in two places at once. So please do your best today to work as hard and learn as much as you can, like every day in my class. Here I've just created some activities and assignments for you to do, kind of get you started in web development. Just start at the top here, work your way down. If you don't have to get them all done, I just don't want you guys to be without stuff to do. Don't ever want you to be bored in my class. So this first assignment's super easy. We normally do this on the first day, and so you'll be able to do it without me. So you just follow the instructions, read them, and it's kind of a fun one. You open this Google Doc right here, and then you just choose a pair. So these two, whichever two. So if I'm gonna choose McDonald's and Denny's because I'm hungry. So I'm going to open up McDonald's, open up Denny's, and then I'm going to click and drag it out. You can look at them like at the same time. I like doing it full screen to get the whole feel. So here's McDonald's website. I just want you to look at it, like what do you like, what don't you like, what are they trying to do. We got to start we're just looking at a really good website and learning how they do things, how they organize things, the different links they do, so that we can build great websites. And then I'm going to look over at Denny's and be like, okay, so what does Denny's do better? What do they do worse? Like we're comparing and contrasting, okay? Are there things that are similar, things that are different? So like for a very, very simple example, okay? They both have food, okay? That's a pretty easy one, okay? I would say that Denny's does a better job of showing off their food, okay? A little bit more organized. Up here at the top, I can like doing lots of different, right up the top, I can just ready to order, okay? What do I order now, okay? Over at McDonald's, I have to download the app to order. Why can't I? This is like, you can order right now. So anyway, so just no right or wrong, just kind of looking at two websites and just looking at them side by side. Once you've looked at them, then you're just going to answer these two questions right here. What's similar about the websites? What's different about the websites, okay? And then once you post, so you click right here, click on reply. What I would do, I would just copy and paste those two questions right here. And then I would just type right here below, they both had pictures of food, full sentence, capitalized periods. Denny's did a better job being able to order on the website. Or whatever you see. Okay, you can do two or three things and do at least one. Once you post the reply, then you'll be able to see other people's post. Oh, you should probably say which ones you could. So I compared McDonald's and Denny's. That way people know what you're talking about. Okay, and then you'll just do that. You'll do that 2 times. So go back and then you'll choose another pair. So just choose another set. So you'll just do it twice. Okay. After this one, there's what's called a vision board assignment. Most of you have been in my class before, so you'll know what we're doing. There's 2 things you'll do. If you already have a vision board, scroll down to the blue instructions. If you don't have a vision board yet, you'll go to the green instructions. And those that have done one before, please help those that haven't done it before, and just help each other out. Okay, we're gonna be a team, all gonna work together. So basically, you're just creating a vision board. Here's my vision board. It's visualization of goals that you have. Okay, so here's mine. And notice my language here. I am going to see the pyramids. I'm like, I want to see the pyramids, or maybe someday I'll see the pyramids. Stuff like that. Okay. After that, I don't know if you'll get much further than that, but if you do, it's just follow along. There's videos. Just keep going. This one's just really watching Shark Tank videos, so nothing too tricky there. Anyway, that's our plan for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thursday will be a B-Day, so I will see you tomorrow, and we'll have our first real day together. Apologize about not being there. Have a great day.